Morning, card collectors. This episode, well, you already know it. You already saw me draw the other calyrex. Tonight, we're going to draw Ice Rider calyrex. Well, actually, we're going to unbox the Ice Rider calyrex V-Box. I got my dog, Kaba, with me. Buddy, look over here. You've earned this. Good dog. Now then, let's get started. As we all know by now, this box contains Ice Rider calyrex. Ice Rider calyrex is a fusion of Glacier, called Glacier, and calyrex. On the back of the box, you get to see Ice Rider Calyrex's main title. Oh, sorry. Command the frozen lands with Ice Rider calyrex. Ice Rider fuses two kinds of power, generating powerful ice, moving incredible speed. Enhance your collection with this royal Pokemon, and find great allies and skilled trainers. Other treasure in Pokemon booster packs. Combines the best elements of Frost and Foresight to call up the mighty Blizzard. Frost, my favorite food. I meant favorite word. And keep you in the lead. Box includes promo card, foil card, booster packs, and that's it. Including this special card for the games. Let's unbox it, shall we? Don't worry, buddy. We're gonna get this done. You can trust old me. Yeah, I was talking to my dog. Anyways, here's the Ice Rider calyrex card. Now here's the giant one. Wow. Its attack start Blizzard and Frost stamp. Good fusion of both calyrex and Glacier, known as Ice Rider. Hey, remember I drew that one? Yeah. Yeah, awesome. Now let's get started on unboxing these. The 4 cards that are in this in the box are known as Chilling Reign, Rebel Clash, and Darkness Ablaze. Chilling Reign is one of them. Let's just hope we get ourselves a jackpot tonight. Let's start with Rebel Clash. Let's see. We got Galarian Darumaka, Vulpix, Milcery, the Galarian Farfetch'd, Galarian Meowth, Voltorb, Scizor, Energy, Electrode, Tool Scrapper, Curse Shovel, Code. Now let's go with Darkness Ablaze. Please let this be a jackpot. Okay, we got Rookity, Aron, Torchic, Galarian Mr. Mime, Fletchling, Lugia, Lightbird, Energy, Fluffy, Shiinotic, Staravia, and another QR code. Now it's down to these packs. Which one should we start off with first? I hope I do both. I'm going to take these cards and put them here. Alright, we got Heracross, Cloptopus, Grookey, Sneasel, Weedle, Rugged Helmet, Passimian, Energy, Welcoming Lantern, Diglett, Larvesta, Inkay, Rockruff, my favorite Pokemon. Look at him playing in the snow. Ghastly, Whirlipede, Zebstrika, Energy, Lucky Energy, Galarian Chestplate, Flaffy, and back to Heracross. Should pick the one on the bottom, not the one on the top. Like I said, trainers, when you're collecting cards, pick the right box. One wrong move, and you're with duds. This is my final warning to you guys. So be careful when you're just collecting one box. Anyway, that's all for the Ice Rider Calyrex unboxing video. Let me know what fighters you want me to draw next, and what kind of card collections I'm searching for. I promise that more cards I collect, well, the more views you'll get. You'll be careful. Good night.